like I talk it. Walk it 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 like I talk it. Hey, walk it like I talk it. Walk it.
What up, GAucy fam? So, change of schedule today. We've been lagging on Vlogmas because of this weather. As you guys can see, it is pouring. If you guys don't believe us, the roads are wet. Like,
everything's wet.
We were gonna do a really good video. We're not gonna tell you guys yet, but we're just gonna do another one right now. So if you guys are new to this channel, my name's G.
My name's GAucy.
You already know what's gonna go on. So
we just hit that 600 mark.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it. Oh, congrats.
Hey,
shout out for 600.
Shout out to GAucy fam. Thank you guys so much for getting us to 600. Y'all are the best. We appreciate it. All set. Thank you guys. But today,
if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget, you gotta subscribe. That's just like the whole point. You gotta join the fam.
Join the GAucy fam.
So, all right, guys. So today's video is actually Nick's idea. So we're gonna do a little trick shot, see what we can do. But I'm gonna warm up on the longboard because it's been a minute.
I'm gonna teach Kyle how to longboard
Kyle's gonna learn. Hey, turn around, shout out to Kyle in the back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do. Hey, big talk.
If you don't know anything about longboard wheels, they're not meant for the rain.
Kids, don't try this at home.
Like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it. Let's go. Walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it.
Cobra, you brought up the Cobra.
Walk it like I talk it, walk it like I talk it.
Come on, boy.
Oh shit! All right, let me teach you.
The boy Kyle, he hasn't gone on one. Oh, all right. You guys know how to longboard? Comment down. We're going to have a say. Not a lot of people do know though. Only skateboarders. GAucy fam. So we are going to Target or Walmart, and we're gonna get a bunch of shit and like ping pong or just some balls to do some trick shots. So we about to make some trick shots happen, and let's see what we can guess. You already know we about to roll the day on set. Get it, boy. Look at Kyle in the back. What are you doing back there, Kyle?
Hey boy. Hey boy. Hey boy.
Okay.
Yep.
Wait for it.
Oh.
Today on Animal Planet we have a wild brown praying mantis looking ass motherfucker.
To right. Oh god damn. Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go.
Hey, GAucy fam 600, that was for you right there. Out of boy, shout out Nick Saucy, son. GAucy fam, this is what I call the run and go spiral flip. Let's go, Kyle. Come on. Ready? Damn it, I didn't get this.
All right, guys, I call this one the Steph Curry because we're going from downtown.
Oh. Ooh, that was a good one.
All right, one more.
All right, guys, GAucy fam, I'm calling this reverse sequence. Ready?
Oh,
Let's go, my dude! Let's go! Let's go! GAucy fam, you saw that. Is this on? You saw that. You saw that.
You
perfect.
Hell yeah.
Y'all see that, son? Yes, sir. Try to do some long. Damn. GAucy fam, cheer him on. Come on, Kyle. You got it, Kyle. You got it, Kyle. Did you make it? Who made it?
Hey.
We gotta do a dance every time after. GAucy fam, we may be acting a little different and maybe not talking as much. It's just because we gotta stay concentrated. We have to concentrate.
I had a tiger.
We have to concentrate. So that's why we're not talking as much. So let's continue this. All right, let's go, GAucy fam. Oh, ready? No look. No look. Just for you, GAucy fam.
So close.
GAucy fam.
Oh my god. Damn, I'm gonna catch it.
Domino's?
Anybody.
GAucy fam, all right? We took a little break, all right? We took a little break. We're gonna change the little subject, all right? So me, Nick, and Kyle just came up with a brand new like trick shot, and I think no one has done this. So we need your guys' help on making this viral, all right? We need you guys to spread the word and make this the first ever extreme tape measure cup trick. So we're trying to make it from that to roll it down here. Hit the
13 feet. We're at
13 feet and hit in the cup. So we're trying to do that as we speak right now.
Like a light,
Oh my god.
like a light.
13 feet, baby.
Oh my god, it took a minute. "13 feet. Let's give them a preview about this, guys. So, just so you guys know, we ain't faking it, nothing. You guys just saw it. So we started off going from 13 feet all the way down,
Look at this.
all the way
feet.
down, all the way down to that. Hit the yellow part into the cup on one pop. Okay. On YouTube, guys, who's done that? No one. We have. So get us. Come on. Challenge us. Guys, we ain't stopping. We're going for how much, Nick?
We're going 20 feet.
Let's go, baby.
Let's
go,
go.
baby.
20
Number
feet.
two. Let's go. Let's go, boy.
Now we're gonna go 100 feet.
Anybody, 20 plus. Who else wants it? Who wants to heat? Who wants to heat? Ain't GAucy. First try!
28 feet. Look at this.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
36 inches.
What is up, GAucy fam? Sorry again, we forgot to close it out. We got busy. We need you guys to send us messages in our Instagram so we can do the 500 subscriber Q&A because we need to answer some questions. We already got some, but we need a lot more. We need at least like 50 questions to make a good video. So please do that. Our Instagram is down below right here. So make sure to follow us and make sure to send us a DM. Guys, also please be sharing our videos to anybody that you know. Help us get to, we really want to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month in December. I know it might be hard, but hey, we're a family, so we could do it. Just please share us, tell all your friends, aunts, uncles, pets, freaking frogs, birds, I don't even know, giraffes. Tell them to all subscribe. Just tell them to subscribe. Be like, hey, join the GAucy fam. So with that being said, oh, post notification shout out. All right, guys, so today's post notification shout out goes to Kiara Huseman. I'm pretty sure I said it right. So Kiara Huseman, she's a really big supporter. I met her a couple of weeks ago. Her name's gonna pop up right here. So thank you so much. We love you. I love you. You're the best. Thank you. And guys, if you guys would like a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is just comment down, hit the bell. That's all it is. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for helping. Road to 1K. We can get this. I know we can. So let's do it. Share us. Do all this. Hey, you already know. GAucy fam. Oh, look. Hey.
Hey, hey.